Hello, welcome to everyone in this video. This is our lecture number 64. Already 63 lectures are covered to solve the problem asked in this book, that is Electricity Magnetism by Vasudev Ghosh. Actually, this is the 37 part of the solution of this book, and rest of the lecture consists the solution of the problem asked in the DJ Griffith, Electrodynamics by DJ Griffith. So if you want to watch the previous lecture, you can go through the description box. Link are given there. And if you want to watch the various physics related lectures and some mathematics, some from competitive examination, you can go to my YouTube channel, then go to the playlist. You will be get separate playlist for each section. So in this video want to discuss question number 11 to question number 20 of chapter 11 of this book, that is transient phenomena. So let's start with question number 11, which says an inductive coil of inductance L, this is inductive coil whose inductance L and resistance is L, connected to a battery of EMF epsilon, so that the current after a time t is given by this will be the current where Ln alpha equal to like that. So using KVL we can write L di dt plus IR equals to this voltage. So if you rearrange them, di dt, and then taking this in the right hand side, take this I part and this t part, separate out, then integrate. At t equal to 0 this current will be 0, so t0 I0, and at t equals to t current is I. So using this you will be get this final equation, that is the current will be flow like that, and if we take this as a alpha equal to like that, then will be like that. So if you take alpha equals to there minus RT by T, taking ln in both side and rearranging, you will be get this expression. So this will be proved, that is the current will be after t time will be like that, where alpha equals to rated like that. Next question is also so that if the connect with the battery is now broken keeping the circuit closed, then the current after time t. Now this battery is omitted and this will be connected. Okay, then after time t the current will be like that. So for that circuit, this will be like the circuit. Then now the KVL will be using L di dt plus IR equals to 0. So rearranging them, and finally at t equal to 0 this current will be the saturated current, then it will be decay. That's why this I0, t equal to 0 I0, and then I, then you will be get this expression I equals to I0 to the 1 minus RT by L. Now at t equals to 0 this I equals to R0, that this was the value which was the obtained in this condition. That's why at t equal to 0 this current will be like that. So putting this value you will be finally get this expression. So I0 equals to either, put this value of I0 in this expression. In this expression put this value of I0 which is the saturated current. So finally we got this current equal to like that. Go to the next one. So that number of oscillation after which amplitude of the current decrease 1 by E of its initial value in the LCR circuit given by like that. In NCR circuit, in the oscillatory motion, because there says some oscillation, so in oscillatory motion you know this current equals to like that, where the amplitude of the current will be this portion, that is q0 omega 0 square by omega e to the minus bt. So initial amplitude, that means when t equal to 0 this will be the initial amplitude, and it is 1 by e times, so 1 by e times of the initial amplitude will be equal to like that, from where you will be get the time on which the amplitude will be 1 by e times its initial amplitude. Then the number of oscillation is nothing but frequency into time. So put this value of time and then value of E in this oscillatory motion, that is the oscillatory motion and LCR circuit, the value of B will be like that. So actually value of omega equals to this and B is like that. After putting this value you will be get this expression. Okay, go to the next one. A charge capacitor of capacitance 1 microfarad losses 10% of charge in 10 minutes. This is a charge capacitor whose capacitance will be like that, is energy losses 10% of charge in so is losses 10% of charge in 10 minutes when it's high resistance connected with 50% loss. So when it is connected high resistance, when it's connected with high resistance is 50% loss. So if loss 50% remains 50%, That's why we put this q0 by 2, q equal to q0 e to the minus t by cr in the discharging during the discharge of a capacitor. During the discharge of a capacitor, the charge at time t equals to q0 e to the minus t by cr. Now this charge is losses 50%, so remaining is 50%. That means q equals to q0 by 2. So you will be get this 2 equals to like that. Finally you will be get this expression r equal to t by c ln 2. So t and this is c ln 2. Finally you will be get this expression, that is the resistance. Go to the next one. The time constant of a coil is 2 millisecond, that is 2 into 10 to the minus 3 second, 2 into 10 to the minus 3 second. Now if the resistance of 40 ohm is connected in the series of the coil, change will be like that. So when this connect the only coil, the time constant will be like that, tau equal to L by R. When we connect additional resistance R prime whose resistance is 10 ohm, then this time constant changes with L by R plus R prime, the resistance will be changed. So this R tau prime will be like that. Now this ratio, if you take the ratio, that will be tau prime, tau by tau primes, tau prime by tau or tau by tau prime, you will be get this thing. Okay, after rearranging you will be get the value of resistance, which is R, the resistance of the coil. Resistance of the coil will be 40 ohm, and the L can be obtained from this any equation 1 or 2. We will put this value in equation 1, you will be get this, the value of L is 80 millihenry. Next question. A DC source of 200 volt is suddenly applied at time t equals to 0 to a series circuit consisting of a capacitor 40 microfarad. So this is capacitor C, this is resistance R, and this is the voltage EMF. So the kinetic energy stored in the capacitor. So during this discharge, after connecting discharge, the during charging, due to connection of voltage during charging, charge within this capacitor expressed like that. So the energy will be half q square by c, put this value, you will be get this expression, and then value c is like that, voltage is 200 volt and e to the power minus t by c r. Okay, so after calculating you will be get this answer. Next one. A source of constant voltage is suddenly applied to a series LR circuit at t equal to 0. L is voltage across L is 25 volt at t equal to 0 and 5 volt at t equal to 25 millisecond. If R equals to 120 ohm, this value is 120 ohm, find the value of R. In case of the charging of LR circuit, the current is expressed like that. In the first question, I think we derived this expression, current equals to like that. If you exchange this expression actually used here, this expression actually used here, this current will be like that. And the voltage across this L, you know, L di dt, so you take derivative with respect to I, will be get this expression. At t equal to 0, VL equals to I0R whose value is 25 volt. At t equal to 25 millisecond, the VL equals to this like that, which is 5 volt. So just divided these two equation, you will be get these things, and after calculating you can easily find out the value of L. Okay, just calculate is this step from that test that step. So just calculate this expression, you can easily find out this solution. Next one. A source of constant voltage 40 volt, source of constant voltage 40 volt suddenly applied to a series LR circuit. This is a LR circuit. When we apply this voltage, the current in this circuit 0.3 second after the switching on the source, after the switching on the source, current of the circuit after the, so during the growth of current will be expressed like that. So after 0.3 second I will be 1 ampere, and then it's become saturation current. And if you disconnect this voltage source and this will be connected, so during discharging the current will be expressed like that. After t equal to 0.3 second, again this current will be 1 ampere. So put this to expression, you can easily find out the value of I0. After getting the value of I0, you can find the R equals to V by I0. After getting this value of R, you can put this value in this expression, in or of any relation of 1 or 2, any relation of 1 or 2. 1 or 2 means this one or that one. If you can put this value in one of them, you'll be get this value of L. Okay, just follow this expression. Next one, a capacitor charged to a potential difference 200 volt. So this is 200 volt or capacitor. Connected a voltmeter, suddenly connected, so this voltage was removed and then connected with voltmeter whose resistance is 20 mega ohm. Having the internal right at t equal to 0, the voltmeter reading found to be 25 volt at 2 minutes. So when t equal to 0, the voltage will be 200. When t equal to 2 minutes, the voltage will be 24 volt. So just taking ratio and find this, put this value of this one, that is time equal to 2 minutes, so 2 into 60 second, you will be get this equation, that is 2.885 microfarad. Okay, do this calculation yourself. Next one, suppose a capacitor 10 microfarad and resistance 2 mega ohm connected in series. A capacitor brings shunted by a neon lamp. There is a neon lamp. Bring grow when the potential across is 120 volt. It will be grow when this voltage difference will be 120 volt across this capacitor. If DC source 200 volt is suddenly applied across the whole combination, find the time taken. The connected neon will be grow. So at the very beginning this is not 120 volt, after some time this will becomes 120 volt across the VC, then it will be glow up. So we need to find out this value of time. So VR across this resistance will be V to the minus T. Here VR is nothing but V minus VC. Put this value, V is 200, VC is 120 and V is 200 again, divided by 200. He will be sorry, just taking this difference 80 and divided by this, and finally you will be get this expression, and just do this calculation, you can find out this value of time. Next question, a capacitor of capacitance C is charged by a cell of EMF V1 through a resistance R for a sufficient time. Then the cell is suddenly replaced by another cell of lower EMF V2, so that voltage across C t second after the replacement is given by like that. Actually there is two factor. One is after charging during this V1 voltage it will be decay, and there is another voltage added V2 which will help the charge this capacitor. So the V1 actually used in the expression of discharging, and the V2 helps actually charging. That means this is a capacitor, at the very first is connect with voltage V1, at the very first is connect with voltage V1, and then it will be disconnected, that means sorted, V1, and then it's connected with voltage V2 like that. So this is a discharge effect and this is a charging effect. So added these two voltage of these two effect, you can easily find out this expression. I think clear. If there is any doubt, you must comment in the comment box, or if you have any suggestion regarding this video, you must comment in the comment box. This is all about me. This is my contact details. You connect with my with this Telegram channel. You can connect with this me with the Telegram channel, and this is the my online platform. You can follow this platform also, and this is my YouTube channel details. Go to this channel, you will get this refined video regarding physics, some mathematics, some computer examination. Like this session, if you learn something from this session, share this video to your friends, either he or she also get benefit from this video. Subscribe this channel if you new in this channel. Those already subscribed, thanks for subscription. Press the bell icon to get the notification of upcoming video. So take care, we'll meet in the next video as soon as possible. Thank you.